Probably gonna go crazy with some of the
It's just kind of pushing that grass around because it's too high.
so loud and smoke.
So far the cats haven't reacted. Pokey's looking at it. She's watching. Ooh, it went right over the edge of the carpet. Oh, Pokey's chased. Pokey! She's watching it. She's stalking it, man. She's following it.